Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is wheat koya laddu. Wheat koya laddu is a delightful Indian sweet. The combination of wheat's nutty taste and koya's creamy richness creates a unique texture, making these laddus a popular choice during festivals and celebrations. Let's start the recipe. In a vessel, add approximately 3/4 cup of ghee. Add 1 cup of wheat flour. Fry on low to medium heat until wheat flour changes its color. It took around 7 to 10 minutes for me. Wheat flour provides a good source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. Koya adds protein and calcium, contributing to muscle health and bone strength. Ghee contains healthy fats and provides energy along with aiding in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. The inclusion of nuts such as almonds and cashews adds healthy fats, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. The combination of carbohydrates and healthy fats in wheat koya laddu provides a quick energy boost, making it a suitable snack for instant energy needs. This is the perfect color you can see in the video. Add 10 chopped raisins, 10 chopped cashews and 10 chopped almonds. Mix well. Add 1/4 cup of koya. Here I used homemade koya. Koya full video link is given in the description box. Please watch it. Cook for 2 minutes on low heat. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them for more delicious options. Add 1 cup of sugar powder. Adjust sugar powder as per your taste. Cook for 5 minutes on low heat. Now switch off the flame and transfer into the bowl. Let it cool. Prepare laddus when it is warm. Very tasty and delicious wheat koya laddu is ready. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in the comments. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.